stuff the whole line, but never taking pictures.
What ride are we on?
Line.
We're in line for Rise of the Resistance, the last ride of our night. Oh, jeez, he's here. Hi.
Hey.
Okay, Mom, we're getting into the cave. We are now going to try to join the resistance. I think we're going on look for something. It is the Imperial one. Yeah, well, to us, for them, they're good. Okay. Found a seat. All right. Look, Mom. The backside of water. Oh, that's a different ride. Okay. What did I tell you not to do?
I love it. Can't touch it.
Is this so cool or what? Look at all the dust on them. All the dust on them. Oh, we almost made it in there. Oh, that's a red button. We almost made it, but she had the first red button.
I want to open in a moment.
Every map, right? Oh, he's correct. These for fun.
I like
BB-8. Prep the ready room for reverse. Commander 9 down. Please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should EBN fly prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now heading to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 know and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Okay, let's go.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here. It'll be a smooth ride.
Black X-Wing.
Deck is in motion.
BB-8's in there.
To transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
Oh, there's a recruit. We gotta get on there.
Personnel on this area.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, Mom. Right turn, go right.
Yes. I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships launched. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight though. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed of one arm.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order attack fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path to transport to make the jump.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action. I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to get away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
How do we get there?
Tell one the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
That's why I didn't want to spoil it for you. No, he doesn't.
Take your time and enjoy. Gotta go, honey.
No.
Wow. That was intense.
It was intense. 5-2 this year. Wait there, single file.
Jacob, I think he's looking at you funny. Look, he's looking at you. Well, we finally made it to the jail cell.
Prisoners are secure.
The stormtroopers watch.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. the Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
I forgot where the base is.
Don't worry, we're like resistance. We're here to break you out. Let's go quickly. Blue and red here, blue and red. Silver and orange there, silver and orange, blue and red. Quickly, find your collar and seat. Buckle your seatbelt left to right. Silver, orange.
Then we have the recruits.
Alright.
Alright, recruits, R5's gonna take you guys out.
Okay.
Hi, R5.
This order to the turbo west. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Wow.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
Whoa.
Work. Good. Now get them move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway.
Oh.
Turn right. Droid. You're lucky it didn't shot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Stormtroopers. Stormtroopers. Go. What?
It's two droids anyway. Detention will breach.
Alright, let's get out of here.
This is Buster's horse. Take it with
We gotta go down. We gotta go down. Look, over there. You're gonna shoot at us. Don't shoot, don't shoot.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
Alright, good. Whew, we're gonna get out of here, right?
Resources nor the courage to invade us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields. I see no evidence.
All personnel to their station.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave,
Alright,
but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
run! Alright, good, we got away. We got away, it's okay. We got away. Oh! That was... Go, 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 go! That's not good.
All resistance personnel. Your efforts are wasted. Cannot escape.
Let's get out of here!
Resistance is about to be destroyed.
Get out! Go! It's a nice space ride home, right? Yeah. Danny, were you driving?
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the ramp. All right, nice job, recruits. Not much to sign off for, but hey, you're assistants now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scaffolding copy.
Beck, where are you, Beck? Hey!
Great job, Liberty. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance page is secure. Bravo! SR5, you too.
Yay! You did it, Mom. You saved the world and the resistance.
We just kind of got our fill backs.
Yeah.